A O A O Hello. Welcome back to another episode, another entry. We're still exploring the startup ecosystem, so let's get into it. So today we are starting off with Chowdeck. So apparently they are available in both Ghana and Nigeria. Ghana and Nigeria, right? And they are a food delivery, food ordering. I know with the rides you say ride hailing, right? Is there a specific term for food ordering, food hailing? Well, it's actually not just limited to food. I think they handle food, pharmaceuticals, and a few other things, right? So yeah, that's what they do. You can go onto the platform if you are hungry, if you are looking to get something that they have on the platform. You go onto the platform, you search for what you are looking for, you input your location, they find the places around you that have what you are looking for, and then you can place an order and then to be delivered to you, right? So that's Chowdeck. Chow Pass, get free deliveries and reduce service fee. Chowdeck. Okay, well, the website does look good. It looks good so far. I like the picture they're using here, and then when you scroll down, then you break down immersion, right? So yeah, like this, you're just immersed, and then you need to scroll down and then you break through that immersion, right? They have the application on Google Play and on App Store, and it looks like they've already launched, so that's cool. We'll check out their blog. Customers, vendors, riders. So you can sign up as a customer, you can sign up as a vendor, or you can sign up as a rider. With the vendors, you are signing up as either a restaurant, a pharmacy, or one of those other things. So this is the app on the Play Store. 500k plus downloads. That is wild. Wow, that's nice. Like, wow. 11k reviews. Oh wow. Oh, these people are up there. Yeah, so I did download the application. The website is really good. Like, it's visually appealing. I really like their website. It's really visual. It kind of reminds me a bit of Code and Cocktails, but I still think Code and Cocktails has the best design out of all the websites I've seen so far in within this series, at least. Yeah, but I really like these. If anything, I think I'll place these people second in terms of website design, right? Okay, let's check out the mobile app. So there's a mobile app. I took a screen recording, and this is what it looks like. The interface is actually really nice. It's really good, like very simple, straightforward. It also kind of reminds me a bit of Haptel. So you can set your location. So you can set your location, and you have vendors based on your location, right? But the location I put in there were no vendors available, so I guess they are not operating in Kumasi. So, but they are within Accra at least. So easily going, I tried that, and I got some results, right? So these are the results there. So the vendors are shown based on your location. Yeah. So this is a search page, very simple search page, trending. They even have a trending, that's nice. So this is the orders, this is the support, and then this is your profile page, right? So I don't know what the star is for. I guess that's your rating. Then they have a Chow score as well, and I guess the Chow score is for getting discounts and stuff like that, right? So like a loyalty point, yeah. And then they have a wallet, so you can top up your wallet as well. And then they also have some referral system. So let's try and see if we can do place an order, right? We are not going to complete the process of paying for an order, but we are just going through the process and seeing how it looks like. So we are adding an item to our cart, and then we are going to make payments. So place order, yeah, make payments, select, and then it's a pay stack screen that appears next, right? So yeah, obviously they are using pay stack. So yeah, so far the applications look good. The best one was the customer application, because I mean that's their main application, right? The application seems quite good, quite decent. It has a good user interface, good user experience as well, in my opinion. Their website does look good as well, but I mean, obviously, their website is not the main product they are pushing, right? It's the mobile applications. So yeah, that's Chowdeck. I think they are really cool. Let's see. Let's just check out their Instagram, see if there's any interesting thing there. Okay, 1 day ago. 1 day ago. Oh, okay, vendor spotlight. Oh, that's nice. So they advertise the vendors as well. That's actually really nice. So are they actually mainly based in Nigeria, or they are mainly based in Ghana? Because on the website we have Ghana. Like, I mean, from here it is basically telling you, oh, okay, maybe because it's Ghana here, let me check Nigeria. Oh, I see. So is it just using my location? The Nigerian one looks actually looks better. Wait, go back. Let me go back. Oh, the Nigerian one looks better. It really does look, I mean, there's even an animation. Okay, yeah, so Chowdeck is in Lagos. So it is Nigerian. Interesting. So I guess they just operate in Ghana as well. Alright, so now the question is, do we keep them in this entry, in this video, in this episode, or do we take them out? Well, we'll keep them in. Alright, so that is Chowdeck. Next up is Closet Fashion. Your personal fashion assistant gets styled now. Find a perfect outfit for every occasion. Shop from our catalog of brands. Okay, cool. Their website is not. The pictures are nice, right? But the website is a bit basic, to me at least. I mean, it's a normal website, right? There's nothing bad about it, but it's also not exceptional. So what exactly do they do? It looks like they are a clothing store, an online clothing store, right? But they also seem to have an AI aspect, and the AI is supposed to give you personalized recommendations. Okay, so let's check the store. Let's check. So these are the three main things, right? Get the personal recommendation, book a stylist, and then shop and get the outfit, right? So these are their products as well. So let's see view full store. So find a stylist, LC Tamaklo. Oh wow, so you can actually book Daria, please. Daria. You have an interesting name. I don't know how to pronounce it. Based in Ukraine. Okay, Ukraine. It's a Ukrainian name. Zatolukina. Styling with Daria. Select a date. Anna Zesty. Ooh, Zesty. I like them zesty. Lagos, Nigeria, thriving in Canada. Okay. So I have booked a session 4 to 4:30 p.m. Okay, I was able to book a session. I don't know if it's actually going to occur because there's no link or anything like that. I don't know whether they're going to call me or something, but I submitted the form wherever that data is going to. I have no idea. So let's check out their AI style guide, or their AI guide. So I actually tried it out a bit. So I sent a few messages. I want a classy look, right? And it said this. Then I said, suggest some items in the store that will be a good match. And it said sure, and then it gave me these. And these are not things that are actually in the store, right? So what I thought would happen was it would actually check their store, right? The store they have on the platform. It will go through the store, find the actual clothes they have in the store, and then suggest to me those clothes based on, you know, my what I'm looking for. But it looks like it's just a generic AI chatbot. It's not able to connect to the store and then give me actual recommendations. In the near future, it might be a bit more advanced in that capability. Okay, so let's actually try and see if we can buy an actual item. Okay, so we are doing the checkout. Oh, okay, pay start. Okay, so it looks like Yeah, it looks like the checkout is active, so you can actually make payments. Interesting. So they seem to be selling actual clothes, and they have stylists who you can talk to concerning what you can get, and they have an AI system that can also talk to concerning what you can get. I don't know if you can actually talk to the stylist, because when I scheduled or booked for a meeting, there was no link or anything attached. It just told me the meeting has been booked, right? So I don't know whether they are going to call me, they are going to email me or something. I don't know. In terms of the AI system too, it just gives you generic suggestions. It doesn't give you suggestions based on what they have in their store. So yeah, exactly. Suggestion where to find them, right? It doesn't give you suggestions based on what they have in their store, which is what I was expecting. And then it would have like a link to the actual product you could get. But well, at least their store is working. So if you'd like to buy something from there, you can check them out. I don't know how their delivery would work and all of that. I don't know like how the logistics and all that would work, but at least it's functional. So okay, so next up is Vortex 365. This is actually one of our, I wouldn't say one of our products, because Vortex 365 is actually an entity on its own, but it's something we worked on, something we built here at Servitech, right? It's an e-voting platform, very simple, straightforward e-voting platform. So vote now, manage events, right? So there are some events currently ongoing: awards and dinner nights, face of SD, CNM, and these are past events that occurred, right? One feature that we added that most platforms don't have is we added a way to actually track transactions, right? So for every single transaction that occurs within an event, you can actually come and make sure that every single thing is there, right? So all the payments you've made are actually reflecting and all that. So as you can see here, you have the person who was voted for, the date, the amount of or the number of votes, and then the last 4 digits of the number. So this is the USSD payments, right? The last 4 digits of the number, and then the status paid. So we have that for the USSD, we have that for the web payments as well. Okay, so we have Marianne was the highest, had the highest number of votes, followed by Linda. So results chart, and we can see that there, right? So this is an account for an event that was held. I think this was one of the very first events that was held on the platform. Wise Excellence Awards, right? So you have this little thing here that gives you like the most recent votes. So this is an overview of the events, number of events, number of votes, 10,807, amount 10,807. So it was a 1-to-1 system, right? 1 vote equals 1 cedi. So you can check the results of any category. So number of votes for this category is this. These are the people. This is the highest, followed by this, followed by this, and then there's the graphing, right? So that's it. You can also sign up here. You sign up, you get an email, you confirm your you verify your account, right? Email, text message, you verify your account, and then you can sign in. All right, so we are done with today's episode. I hope you enjoyed that. These are some interesting startups, right? Chowdeck really seems to have a lot of traction already, and it looks like they are mainly based in Nigeria and not in Ghana, but they do still operate in Ghana, right? Closet fashion seems to be like a very new thing. Yeah, and they mainly deal with selling or selling clothes, right? Selling fashion items. Well, it's mainly clothes. Okay, clothes, shoes. I remember seeing shoes. I remember seeing bags. So yeah, fashion items. They have stylists you could talk to, but I'm not really sure if that's working. They have an AI system that you can use to get recommendations for your attire, for your outfits, for the outfit you should get. But the recommendations, the AI system is not linked to their store, so maybe they'll do that later on as time goes on, who knows. And then Vortex 365 is an e-voting platform that's all about transparency, right? You can use it to host your the voting segment of your events, your award and dinner nights, pageants, stuff like that. And rest assured that everything is you can actually see everything that's going on. Everything is fully transparent, and there's no funny business going on behind the scenes, right? So that wraps up today's episode, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.